In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful productivity tool that allows you to manage tasks, projects, and workflows all in one place. Adding users is a crucial step to fully utilizing its collaborative features, so let's dive in and learn how to do it effectively. First, let's make sure you're logged into your ClickUp account. Open your browser and navigate to the ClickUp website, then enter your login credentials if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with your Workspace dashboard. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll begin the process of inviting new users. Next, look for the Settings menu. It's usually represented by your profile picture or a cogwheel icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to access a drop-down menu. From there, navigate to the People section. This section is dedicated to managing users within your workspace. It's where you can view all current members, pending invitations, and most importantly, add new users. Once you're in the People section, you'll see an option to Invite People. Click on it, and a new window will appear, offering you the ability to input the email addresses of the people you'd like to invite. Make sure to separate multiple emails with commas if you're inviting more than one user at a time. This is a convenient feature that saves you time if you're onboarding a large team. Before sending those invites, take a moment to set their user permissions. ClickUp offers different roles, such as admin, member, and guest, each with varying levels of access and capabilities. Choose the appropriate role based on the responsibilities and needs of each user. This ensures that each person has the right level of access, enhancing both security and efficiency. After you've entered the emails and selected the roles, click the Send button. The system will dispatch an email invitation to each specified address. It's important for the recipients to check their inboxes, including the spam or junk folders, just in case the invitation email is wrongly filtered. Once they accept the invite, they'll be able to join your workspace and start collaborating. And there you have it. You've successfully invited new users to your ClickUp account. Remember, inviting users and setting the correct permissions is key to maximizing the efficiency and security of your workspace. As you continue using ClickUp, you'll find that its collaborative features are indispensable in organizing and managing your work or team projects. Thank you for watching this guide on adding users in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more productivity tips and tutorials. Happy clicking!